Hello guys, I'm Vlad with iForels, and today we'll talk why iForels is the greatest tool to build applications without development time. You know, it's no code solution, but now we'll try something great, something really impressive, iForels AI. It helps you to build your custom business applications in few clicks using just simple human words. All you need is explain your thoughts, how you see your application, and within 5 to 10 minutes you will receive the activation link and you can use your ready to go application at the same moment. Let's check it out. First thing we need is go to the iForels.com, click this button, get started. Okay, now we see the form iForels AI. Just plug in into iForels and watch your business accelerate. That's exactly what we'll do in a moment. Let's rock it. How do you see your app? Let's say we have a restaurant, and let's say I need an app to manage deliveries from my restaurant. It should include form to connect information from customers. I also need a separate page for drivers so they see the list when the order is ready for delivery. Users can only see their orders, and drivers can only see theirs. I believe that's enough for now. Anyway, we can modify anything within a few clicks, even after the app is ready and we actually started using it. All right, so let's see what's next. Would you like to display orders on the map? Okay, so the AI recognized that we have something with orders and with delivery, so it's proposing us to add map view to the app. Why not? Yes, click here if ready. Ready. It looks like we're all set. Click the button below if the tasks for iForels AI completed. Okay, create my application. Congratulations, right now iForels is generating your super app. You have 5 to 10 minutes to grab a coffee and check your email with your custom app activation link. Actually, in my case, it's very nice tea. Literally, right now, iForels AI generates your application. Within 5 to 10 minutes, we'll receive a link on email. Oh, actually, I already received it. So let's check it out. I'll share my screen. iForels, okay, your super app is ready. Congratulations, your app, activate your super app. Boom. Okay, so what do we see here? It created application with a few units, I believe, orders, clients, drivers. Probably we'll need to add something like products. Okay, but not for now. For now, let's see what the iForels did automatically. So what do we see here? Order, address, client name, email, phone. Okay, we asked iForels to build form. So here we are. It generated form. Let's check how it works. All right. So here is the form that your users will see. Start. What would you like to order? Let's say pizza. Done. Address. Okay. 101 Jefferson. All right. We are here. Brooklyn, New York. Might be. Okay. What's your name? Vlad. Dan. Your email. Okay. Vlad@gmail.com. That's actually not my email. And what about your phone number? Let's do this. 123 123 pum 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 pum. Okay, we are ready. Click submit button to right. Thank you. You're awesome. Let's keep in touch. Okay, it looks like we are ready. Let's check it out. What just happened in your application? What do we see? We see the order. Someone ordered pizza. It was me. Okay, we see the phone number and we see the status, which is pending. We also asked iForels to build a map page for us. So let's see if we have it. Yep, we have. And okay, we can see the order. We can see where it is located. All right, now we need to understand if the order is in process or it's ready to go where it is. So we asked iForels to build a delivery system. Because we trained it with predefined templates, it understands if you're using restaurant and you need delivery system, probably you would need to have some kind of status, because delivery, it's always about simple statuses like pending, ready, delivered, etc. So it's something that is very common, and iForels can handle this tailoring stuff by default. And let's check our Kanban board. So here we are. Here we can see someone ordered pizza, the client name Vlad, the phone is blah, blah, blah. And let's say we'd like to see address as well here. Boom, one click and the address is here. That's really awesome. What is amazing here, you can easily add any improvements here. For example, status. If you have additional status, maybe waiting for confirmation, you can easily add it in one click, and all views, everything would be automatically updated. Let's see what we got. Waiting for confirmation, and here we are. We can use it immediately. So that is really awesome. Then we can add drivers to our order. For example, we need to go to the drivers. I believe it created something. Okay, so that's really simple. Full name, let's see, it's John Smith. Okay, so we have John Smith, and now what we can do, we can assign driver John to our order. So John will receive notifications. He will sit right here at the top. And what is amazing here, you can always set different roles. And I believe it should create, yes, it created two custom roles for us, one for driver, the second one for client. So you can control what kind of data, what kind of information your users, in this case, drivers and clients, would see. That is amazing. And you can always add custom token, custom role. I'm not really familiar with the restaurant business. Let's Google it. All right. Executive chief. I'll just copy it and we'll put it into token name. Let's move further, and now we can set up what kind of data will be available for executive chief. Probably we don't want to show him the address, phone name, and other personal information of our drivers or clients. So orders would be enough. Also, we can set up what kind of orders these executive chief will see. In our case, he don't need to see all orders. For example, the orders that were already delivered, we only need to show him orders in pending status. So let's check it out how to make it happen. You're clicking here, order, status, pending. Boom. Now he will not see anything because we don't have any pending status, but if we'll switch it to the ready ones, here we are. We have just filtered orders by status. And actually you can filter it by anything, including distance between address from your restaurants in this case. That is really awesome. You can use iForels to create any kind of applications. Maybe you need some delivery application like this one. Maybe you need to organize work inside marketing team, software development team. Or maybe you are a content creator and you would like to create your custom file storage for your videos, linked to ideas, linked to some books, maybe some other resources. That is really easy to build in iForels within just a few clicks, or even easier with iForels AI, where you can simply explain your thoughts and it will build custom application for you in a few seconds. And of course, you can improve it anytime. Thank you guys for watching this video. I highly appreciate your feedback in the comments. We are also open to any improvements. Maybe your business needs some custom feature. Please let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.